What's up guys, getting my tech on back with you today for another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Coen E7 headphones, so let's get this thing open. So I ordered the Coen E7s on an Amazon Lightning deal for $49. That's what we get in the box. So you get the headphones, which you have to order separately, or you have to order the headphones. These come as themselves, and you can order a case separately. So I have to do it separately for around $12, I think. So in total, I got these for $50, this for $12. So I'm $62 setup. Anyway, let's get started with the review and unboxing of headphones. So as you can see on the back, we just see a Coen and then headphones on, world off. So it's kind of like a motto, and it has some contact information. Sides really have nothing, and then just a picture of, like a kind of blueprint picture of the headphone. Anyway, let's get this thing open. So I'm gonna off and this is like a pressure sensor box. So you can see we have the headphones right here, and then move the case out of the way, and then lift this off. So when we lift the box, we're immediately greeted with a little thank you note from Coen. 15 years ago, I was an audio engineer with a dream. It has a little thing. And then we have a quick start guide, a Coen warranty guide, a notice, charging notice, and a little donation thing. And then we are given the carrying pouch. This is a pouch that comes with it. I personally did not want to use this, that's why I ordered the case, because you know it's okay, but you can't really protect your stuff. Then right here we got our what looks like just the instructions. And then finally we can see our headphones. So as we lift them out of this little foam carrier, these are really cool. So see, you can hold the headphones. They do pass a lot of durability tests, but like they turn on Bluetooth. I think we gotta charge them, but overall these are built really well. They have a little plus and minus, and then in the back there's a button that's just for show. And the ear cups are reasonably big, so you should be able to fit something like an ear in there. And then it comes with our charging cable, a micro USB to USB type A. And then we get our aux cord that we can plug into the headphones. So you can see, very nice pair of headphones. I really like it. Now let's look at the case. So the case, this is a $12 case. This is the official Coen brand case. That's why I wanted it. I wanted the official case that comes with, or the official case, and I wanted like one like kind of like this one's cool because like it's a lot like the Bose QC, or not the Bose, the Sony case and the Bose case for like their noise canceling flagships. Coen has some new models of this headphone, but this is the most popular and Amazon bestseller and cheapest one. As you can see, we get our case. It's just a zipping mechanism. Inside we get a pouch and then just a place for our headphones. So these kind of look a little fit. They do. So this fits perfectly in the case, and you have a case for them. So for $12 more, I think with the case it's a lot bit better. It's a lot better. I mean, not a little bit better. Now we should just look at the headphones. You have really nice and soft ear pad, very nice pleather material. And most of this is plastic, but it's okay. It has the NFC logo, Coen logo. We got a touch button, or not a touch button. We just got a normal button with pluses and minuses, and these twists. And then inside it says right and left, so we got what we need to do. And these are just, it's on the top, it's a little, well, there's a little piece of metal, you can feel it. But other than that, it feels really solid, and for Bluetooth headphones, these are pretty good for the price. for Bluetooth noise canceling headphones, which is what I want to say, because regular Bluetooth headphones for this price is pretty common, but for noise canceling. And so yeah, and the way I actually found out about these headphones is one of my friends got these and he showed me and I'm like, man, this is really cool. So yeah, so it plugs straight into the 3.5mm port. So we'll get this sticker off right here. Don't want that on there, so. But yeah, these are the Coen E7 headphones. These are really, honestly, really cool. And if we just look at, like, we could very well, if we want to, sticker off me. We could very well stuff these in the pouch, but like, I don't know, the pouch just feels a little less secure. You know, I'd be worried to throw these in a bag, you know, whatever with them if they're in the pouch. So I think I put them in the wrong way. Like, I really wanted just, I really wanted a hard case for them, which is what this is. And it gives you a pouch so we can put our cables in here, and then our headphones right here, and we can close up the case. So now let's get started with the pairing process. So the pairing process on these headphones is pretty straightforward. Just flip the switch to Bluetooth and it should be blinking to indicate it's in pairing mode. Now go to your Bluetooth settings, click search and find E7 and you should be connected. Now I know I said this was going to be kind of a review. This is basically going to be a first impression review because I really haven't tried out these. I'm going to take them to school wherever I go, you know, just try to use them as much as possible. But overall, I think these are a really good pair of headphones. You know, you got a plastic body, you know, you got this kind of pleather thing, and of course the ear cups, but they're really soft, they're really nice. Speakers are really loud, and it's just a great pair of headphones. You know, you get a little LED to indicate if it's on or not, you get volume controls. This is a really good pair of headphones, you know, really solid pair for the price, and I would highly recommend buying it. Also the case. So far the case looks really good. I'm gonna see how it works out when I take it places. But overall, I think this is a really good pair of headphones. The case is like $12. I think that's how much I got it for. These headphones, believe it or not, actually went up in price. They were $49 on the Lightning deal I got them from. Now they are $59. So $10 more, but still, I still think they're a great product. And also, you know, you can even get by with just this, the carrying case. You know, it's perfect for these. You know, you just turn off your headphones and put them in the bag, and you know, it certainly works. You know, it's not the greatest, but you know, it certainly works. That's why I think that's why they include it. But I prefer the case. That's why I bought the case. I recommend the case if you want to. But overall, these are a great pair of headphones, and I will work with them for a while, see how I like them, and I'll do a full comprehensive review for you guys on these headphones. So look out for that in the coming few weeks. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.